Hey, it's Alet, a Nordic goat. So, I wanted to make another video, and since I'm too lazy to write the script, I just decided to pick an item from my house that is interesting enough and just talk about it. So, I picked my drum, which is probably the only hoof-friendly instrument that I own. So, as you can see, it is not an ordinary drum. It's something that I've made partly by myself. The body of the drum was pre-made, but I attached the membrane to it by myself. So the membrane, it's made of real leather, taken out of a reindeer. And as you can see, this is a witch drum. Because, well, I'm a pagan and somewhat involved in witchcraft. And what kind of a witch would I be if I didn't have a drum? So the symbol on the drum, it's an old Icelandic magical symbol called vegvísir, meaning something like a way shower or I don't know. So it's a sort of a magical compass that's supposed to protect its carrier on their journey. It's very fitting that since the symbol is from Iceland, the small piece I'm going to perform you is also from Iceland. So it's a part of the Icelandic rune poem. And as you know, the runes, they are the alphabet of the Vikings, but also they have a different meaning, because rune, it doesn't only mean the rune, the letter, it also means a mystery. And in contemporary paganism, the runes are considered magical symbols, like tarot cards or something. That's, well, depending how you view it. Either you can use them to gain divine messages from different planes of existence, or from spirits, or from gods. I personally view runes as well as tarot, as well as drumming, a way to reach the deep parts of your unconsciousness. So the rune poem, or a part of it, it's about the rune raido, which means riding. So in the past, riding was the method of choice, moving long distances from point A to point B, but also riding can be considered as another word for a journey. But in addition to physical journeys, raido is also considered to be a mental journey, or a journey in your life. For example, growing up from the child to adolescence, to adulthood, to old age. Or perhaps a journey in academia. You first start as a freshman when you go to college, then become a sophomore. Eventually you may graduate, or may not. We all have our own journeys, and none is better or worse than the other. So, in the poem, it is said that riding is a comfortable and nice and fast way to travel some distances. Of course, for the rider. But for the ride, for the horse, it can be quite a toll. So, this is Raido. today. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like my content. See ya! Bye!